In this tutorial, we will create a line chart. Line charts are commonly used with a timeline. We will smooth the line, add a title, and enable tooltips when hovering over the chart. For this chart, we will utilize a sample dataset. Click here to open the Add Data dialog. In this dialog, you can paste or upload data or select from one of the many sample datasets. Click Use Sample Data. Click Search Names to begin filtering datasets by name. Type weight in the search field to find the weight over time dataset. Click Weight over time to choose this dataset. This dataset provides a straightforward overview of an individual's weight recorded monthly over the course of a year. Click Add Data to incorporate this information into the chart. A line chart is an excellent option for data that includes dates. Click Add Picta to select the picta for this chart. Choose the line picta. You have created a line chart, but there is potential for enhancement. Let's begin by removing the white space beneath the line. Close the panel for the line picta. Panels for the horizontal and vertical axes were automatically added when you selected the line picta. We will now make an adjustment to the vertical axis. Please open that panel. By default, an axis starts at 0. However, to eliminate the white space, we adjust that value to 78, which is just below the minimal weight of this person. Enter 78 for the minimal value. The update is rendered immediately in the chart. Of course, gaining and losing weight does not exhibit these spikes, so let's smooth out this line. To make changes to the line, we need to reopen the line panel. Click Smoothing to adjust the smoothing level of the chart. Fill 50 to set the smoothing percentage to 50%. Enjoy the result. It looks significantly more realistic. To further improve the chart, we will add a title and a tooltip. A title and a tooltip are both elements of the canvas. Click Add Canvas to open the Canvas dialog. First, add the title element. Please change the title to something more meaningful. For example, type Weight of John Doe. Click on Add Canvas again. Click Tooltip to add the tooltip element to the chart. Change the tooltip trigger to axis. This adjustment will display a tooltip when hovering over the horizontal axis. Given that this line chart features only one line, we do not trigger on individual items, which are the dots in the chart, but instead on the axis. And that's it. You have created a smooth line chart complete with a title and a tooltip.